How to hide the reels on your Instagram as not interested in this reel on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. We will go first and open Instagram. Then when Instagram is opening, guys, I will just go, for example, the icon of the reels. I will just for example go here, and for example I want to do that. As I am not interested in this reels, I will just go here on this 3 points, then I will click not interested on this, like it's like hide these reels, and that's it. As you see, they will say why you are not interested. I will say I don't want to see reels with this audio, and that's it. Instagram will say thank you, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.